Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows onto your computer which may not have Windows. First, to start off, you're going to need a laptop and a USB with usually 8 gigabytes of storage in it. First of all, what you need to do is go to the download Windows 10 page. I will leave a link in the description down below. But first what you want to do is click on download tools now. As you can see, it begun to download in the corner right here. Okay, now it has downloaded. Just click on it so you can open it. It might take a little bit. Just click on yes. There you go. Windows should pop up and load. And at this time, you can plug in your USB into your laptop. Okay, so now that it has loaded, all you need to do is read the installation page and click accept. Wow, this is just amazing. Now that it has loaded and it's asking you for where do you want to do, on this page, what you need to do is click on create installation media. So it will download on the USB. Instead of upgrade this computer now, you need to put create installation media and click on next. And right here, you can just leave everything on default. So just keep clicking next. And right here, click on USB flash drive. And as you can see, it says it needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. And right here, you guys just choose what USB you would like to put it. Right now, I have a lame Toshiba one. Toshiba. And all you have to do is click it. And if you don't see it if you don't see your USB at first, just click on refresh drive list. But it should see right then and there. If not, then you have to try ejecting your USB and putting it back in. Hopefully that works and then refresh. But I have my USB set up and I put next, and now it is downloading on my USB. Now you have to wait forever. Oh my gosh, it feels like the Modern Warfare download again. Okay, now guys, while Windows is downloading on my USB drive, I'm gonna purchase the OEM key for Windows. This is so the computer could download Windows. This purchasing Windows basically, and this is a cheap place to purchase it online. As you can see, look at the prices. They're around $20 right now. I'll leave a link in the description down below for this. So please go check them out. It'll be so much better and buy it here than other places because it's just really cheap and I trust this place. And be sure when you buy it, be sure to see the key they give you. They're gonna give you a key. So when you buy it, they're gonna give you a key, and that's what you're gonna use to download Windows on your computer right now, as you can see. By the way, guys, when you're purchasing the key, you could also use coupons. Right now, I'm using Honey, even though I'm not sponsored by them. I'm saying use Honey because they'll find you amazing discounts on anything, and they work like a charm. Look at this. I didn't even do anything. It's giving me discounts. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you, David Dobrik. Okay, now guys, as you can see, my USB flash drive has downloaded Windows 10. So I'm gonna put finish. And now just let it clean up and it'll close by itself. Okay, there you go. Just a little reminder, guys, whenever you're taking out your USB from your laptop, don't just pull it out. First, what you're gonna want to do is go to your computer and oops. What you're gonna want to do is go to your computer, right click on it, on where your USB file is, and click on eject. And now you can pull out your USB without damaging anything on the USB. Okay, so now guys, turn on your computer and plug in the USB. So guys, make sure you put the USB before you turn on the computer. And plug in the USB, the 3.0 ones. Now, as you can see, the text will tell you to press any key. Some boots actually have a specific key you need to press, so make sure you follow along with that. But once I plugged in the USB, I'm gonna press any key so I continue with the download. And your screen should look like that. So right now, just select the Windows formatting you have bought, and put in the certification code. So once you have put the code, once you have selected the Windows that you have bought, put in the key that you paid for. And what you're gonna want to do is click right here. You click next, cause I want it English. I want it US. Yes. So I'm gonna click yeah. I'm gonna click yes. Next. So I'm gonna click yeah. Next. So now let's put install now. It should take a while. So if you did everything correctly, you should end up on this Windows setup page right here. All you need to do is put in the key that gives you once you bought the Windows on Kinguin, right on the page of Kinguin. So yeah, just put in the same code and click next. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so now guys, that you plugged in all of your key, just put next. You should be greeted by this. Just click on I accept license terms and put next. Now once you have done that, you should be greeted by this Windows setup screen right here. And when you get onto this page, click on custom, so you can put where you want to put put custom, so you could choose where to install Windows 10 on. I'm gonna put my hard drive, so I'm gonna do custom Windows only. So like that. And of course, I only have one hard drive, 1 terabyte. So this one, of course. Now click next. You have to be sure to look where you want to install it at. And there you go. It should be installing. There we go. And now just wait, guys. And now you successfully installed Windows. As you can see, guys, my motherboard is loading. It's loading up the Windows. And that is amazing. Look at that MSI. Not sponsored, by the way. I should be sponsored. Oh my god! I made it! Nice. Just a moment. It should be loading. Okay, now you have gone in the menu for the Windows, and I just set it up. I'm gonna put United States next. You already know. And of course, I'm gonna put US for my right keyboard layout. And for this, if you just really don't have another second keyboard, just put skip. And there you go. Right here is just connected to the internet. Right now I'm gonna plug in my Wi-Fi adapter. If you guys have an Ethernet cable, just plug it into your computer and it should work from there. If you have an Ethernet cable, just plug it in and you should be greeted by Windows, or you should just be entering Windows by itself. But right now I'm gonna plug in the Wi-Fi adapter just so I can get Wi-Fi on here. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you need any assistance on how to use your Wi-Fi adapter, because some need a driver and some of your PCs don't have the little disc tray, I will be making a video on that, how to use a driver. Please go check out my YouTube channel to see that video. It's just a continuation of this video. But anyways, if you do need help with the driver and the Wi-Fi adapter you've purchased, then go check out that video on my YouTube channel. I made a video on that because I face the same problem too. But anyways, yeah, check out that video, and congratulations on downloading Windows completely. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll try to look at all the comments and try to answer to the best of my ability. But yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, because I do try to make these kind of tutorials for technology and anything. And please check out my YouTube channel, because I also do gaming videos and also new videos of me making skits. So yeah, please sure to check that out. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what I should do next, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please turn on notifications for my YouTube channel for whenever I post other videos. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.